Hi folks, and welcome to the Discovery Room at SelecTrucks of Atlanta. This room inside our dealership was the vision of Gary Conley, former GM at Select and now a semi-retired Vice President of Used Trucks for Peach State Truck Centers. Gary and all of us here at Select have a deep passion to provide our customers with the most reliable vehicles in the used truck industry. So we created this space that we call the Discovery Room for a couple of reasons. First, we want to showcase many of the components and systems that are inspected during our vehicle prep process. And secondly, we want our customers to be aware of the replacement costs for parts and labor to aid in their decision making regarding our SelecTrucks factory-backed warranty programs that we offer to protect their investment. At SelecTrucks of Atlanta, we take great pride in our vehicle inspection and diagnostic processes. Our trucks will undergo a 128-point examination. Our aim is to thoroughly check all the vital components and systems to ensure your vehicle is ready to meet the road. If defects are discovered, the necessary repairs are completed. That's our commitment to you from our team at SelecTrucks of Atlanta. We invite you to visit our dealership, meet the team, and browse through the Discovery Room and learn about the various components on display, which represent some of the key parts under the hood, chassis, and cabin in today's complex and technology-driven commercial vehicles. Come and see us and discover the difference at SelecTrucks of Atlanta. Thank you.